Hello everyone. This video we are going to see adding two linked list. We are given two linked list, non-empty and non-null linked list. So each individual node represent one digit, a decimal digit. So you have to add these two linked list and print out the new linked list as an answer. Okay. Here in this example, you can see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the first linked list, and 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you sum up these two, you'll get this answer 2, 6, 0, 3, 6, 8. So how I'm going to approach this problem is, first when you receive the linked list in the function, you have to reverse these two, because we'll start the addition operation at the from the tail. So from tail to head it should go, and answer also it should be reversed. So if you add that, the answers will start from here. So by the time you're printing, you have to travel from head to tail, so you have to reverse it. So this is my code snippet going to help me for solving this problem. First I create a dummy node, and I take address to the temp. And when I'm adding these two numbers, for example this 9 and 9, I'll get 18. So how do we do that old school method? 8 we'll put here and 1 here, and for the next iteration we'll add these two along with carry. So initially my carry is 0. That's what it's written here. My carry is 0, and while any node exists, you can see here node is not there, and here some node is there. So that time if any one of this node or carry, so either carry or node 1 or node 2 either exist, you have to proceed with the operations. So when node n1 exists, I take that and I'll add it to the carry, and I'll travel to the next node. It will go, because it's reversed, so it will go from the tail to head. So if n1 is there, I'll add it with the carry and I'll proceed to the next node. If n2 is there, I'll add it to the carry, and I'll proceed with the next node. Like this I'll go. So I travel to first node and second node, and carry also I take. So constructing a new linked list, I need to create one new list node. So new list node, and I'll take only the last digit, which means you can give mod 10 to get that answer. So if you give 18 mod 10, you'll get 8. So 8 I'll write here. So that's why we have created a new node of carry mod 10. So you'll get 8, and that's assigned to temp next. And once the temp next is there, I told that initially dummy is there, so we'll give this dummy. So that dummy is next. Here we create, that's what the temp is initialized to. So the temp's next, and then temp equal to temp dot next, this one. And we need this carry, that is nothing but 18 divided by 10. You will get the second digits, so that will be 1. So that will be carry. I have to proceed this until n1, n2 or carry. Either of these, one of these exists, I have to proceed. Once I get this answer, I have to return this dummy is next, because dummy is initials to 0. So dummy is next, and for printing this, this also should be reversed. So we'll implement this same code to the Visual Studio Code in C++, and we'll see the answer how it is. This is my necessary importing statement, and this is my node definition with some public properties and constructor, and this is my driver functions, and this is my tool list. You can see 0, 5, 2, 4 and 0, 3, 8. I'll just make it as 1, 1 so that you can see. Okay, I have to sum up these two links and print out the answer. First, I'll just run it and print these numbers. I have 1524 and 1388. Okay, now what we do is we have to return on pointer. So list node, add, and expect two parameters, list node n1 and n2, list node n1 and list node n2. If it is null, you can just return those nodes. You can handle those separately, but this code covers all. List node dummy, you can initialize it with the 0, and list node temp, this you can give address of this dummy. You have to continue this operation while either n1 or n2, or you need carry, and carry equals 0, carry. If n1 is there, you can add it with carry n1 data. The next n1 equal to n1 dot next. You can just write it in one line itself. N2, the same thing, you can do this for n2 also. N2's data and n2's next. Okay, now you can create a new node. So temps next equals to new list node. You can give this as carry mod 10. Once this carry mod 10, you can carry divided by 10. Also you can give this one temp, you can temp dot next. These two lines you can combine and write it in one line itself. So I'm removing and pasting the same here. So you can return that dummies next. Before that, either you can reverse in the main function or here. So what I do is n1 equal to reverse. I already have reverse function. If you don't have, you can create that reverse. Here you can see this reverse function is there. I'm using that function. So n1, and same thing you can use it for n2 also. Okay, it's not listed here, but you can write it easily. Okay, here also I should reverse it for printing purpose. Here I have to call as x dot add, how to pass x dot head and y's head, and I have to print it. So x dot print. Okay, here I call this add method. I pass x head and y head, and this one I assign that to temp. I reverse the first link and second link, either n1 or n2 or carry exist. I continue my operation for n1 and n2, and I create that for temp node, and finally I reverse this dummy node. Okay, now we'll see what this answer is supposed to be is. My 1524 plus 1388, it's 2912. Okay, run 2912. Okay, you will get this answer. In case of if absence of one digit, it is 1524 plus 188 means 1712. Okay, it run again 1712. Okay, this is for just printed, but how to consider these two digits. So we'll get the answer. We have to handle those edge cases, and some here null cases are there, not those things in the first itself. Okay, hope you understood this problem and solution, and thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.